What is the contract-driven data pipe? As we all know, data pipelines are very long, complex chains of data, moving hands from producer to consumer, from software engineers to data scientists. Now, a lot of us get really excited about potentially putting contracts somewhere along that supply chain, if you will, in an effort to curb data quality, governance, and compliance issues. But it turns out that putting a data contract at one node in your graph is actually not enough. There's a few reasons for that. The first is that data is transformed and manipulated at many steps of the data supply chain. So to simply put a contract in one place means that you might have coverage at the source or at the destination, but nowhere else in between, which means issues can still occur. The second problem is if you try to ask someone, a data consumer, to take a data contract downstream, they're very unwilling to. And the reason for that is why should I, as a consumer of data, start to provide assurances and SLAs to other teams while I'm not getting assurances and SLAs for myself? The more that you can start in your upstream and then layer data contracts all the way down the pipeline downstream, the more likely it is that every producer of data is going to be willing to take that contract. And that's exactly what you want, because ultimately you will end up protecting your tier one data products all across your